Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete ChatGPT memory. So you can delete ChatGPT save memories in a few ways. So to delete a specific memory, you can open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner. Next, go to personalization. Then from here, so go to manage memories at the bottom. Scroll down and go to memory. Then in here, find the memory you want to remove and just click or tap delete or the trash icon next to it. Next, so on the same page, so click manage, then click the three dots right here, and you can also click delete and turn off memory from here. So click on that and confirm the action, and that's it. So ChatGPT will no longer remember important information about you, so your experience will be less personalized. Next, you can ask ChatGPT to forget something. So you can go back to the chat. So go to the prompt box and you can type, forget that I live in New York, for example, forget my favorite programming language, or if memory is enabled, ChatGPT will remove that saved memory. So a few important notes, deleting a chat does not delete saved memories. If you want something completely removed, you may need to delete both the saved memory and the chat where it appeared. If you don't want ChatGPT to remember new information going forward, you can turn off memory under settings and by going to personalization. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.